Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about arrays in JavaScript. What is an array? An array is a fundamental data structure in JavaScript. Array is a collection of values such as numbers, strings, and objects. Arrays are zero indexed. That means the first element of an array has the index of 0. In JavaScript, arrays will be declared like the following format. We'll use the keyword where, then array name. Here it is array that is equal to the collection of values enclosed within square bracket. Here 5 values are there. They are separated by comma. One can access the elements of an array by using the index of the array. For example, to access the value 3 in the array, one has to use the following code where value is equal to array of 2. So in the index 2, whatever value is there in the previous example, 3 is the value. That value will be stored in a variable. Its name is value. Adding and removing values in the array. One can also add elements to an array using push off method. It takes a value as its argument and adds it to the end of the array. The following code will add value 6 to the array. So code is array.push_6. Array is the name of the array. Push method is used to push the value 6 at the end of the array. And we have one more function, that is pop method, pop off. So using array name, we can remove values from the array, and that which value is removed, we can store in the variable. Here it is given as value. So one can remove elements from an array using the pop off method. Pop off method removes the last element from the array and returns it. We can also iterate over an array. For example, here we have a loop. For loop is used. In for loop, we have initial value of the loop variable I equal to 0, and the last value of the loop variable is array.length. If array is size 5, then the last value is 5. Totally 5 times this loop will execute. And we have increment of I++. Inside the loop, we are having the print statement. Okay, it will display the output on the screen. So console.log of array of I. If I is 0, first value array of 0 will be displayed. When I is 1, the second value will be displayed from the array. Other methods that are most frequently used in arrays in JavaScript, common methods used are push-off method. We saw it. It adds an element to the end of the array. Pop-off method removes the last element from an array and returns that element. Unshift-off method adds an element to the beginning of an array. Shift-off method removes the first element from the array and returns it. Slice-off method returns a new array that contains a slice of the original array. Concat-off method combines 2 or more arrays into a new array. Index-off method returns the index of the first occurrence of a value in the array. Last index of method, it returns the index of the last occurrence of a value in the array. Sum of method returns true if at least one element of an array satisfies a condition. Then every of method returns true if all the elements of an array satisfy a condition. So in this video, we have discussed about arrays in JavaScript. Thank you.